Go say matter these two married people Let me go.
Hey, Martha, I want you to wash this clothes for me. I'm going to bring another one, okay?
Kose, me wash it then.
I said I want you to wash this clothes for me. I'm going to bring another one.
Kose, answer na messing your mouth. I just want to washing machine your mom. So now meet me sing your mouth. Meet me from and sing your mouth. Share.
Martha, you say what?
Me see answer na messing your mouth. I just want to washing machine your mommy. As na messing your mouth. As I mean see.
Martha, before you go wash my clothes, unless I buy washing machine for you,
yes.
Before you go wash my clothes.
Yes.
Unless I buy washing machine for you.
Kose I.
For what?
For what is it? Because it's here. If you ask us to send it, sound.
If you ask us to send it, sound.
Aye.
Martha, don't remember what? Don't know why I marry you. Martha, why I marry you? Answer me. Martha, make I tear my money, marry you. Make I tear my money, feed you. Make I tear my money, use on you. And later, before you go wash my clothes, unless me, I buy washing machine for you before you go wash my clothes.
Yes.
Martha, are you normal?
Yes, I'm normal.
Are you normal? Are you okay at all?
Yes, because I'm okay.
Martha, either you like it or not, I will never buy the washing machine for you. You will wash my clothes. What kind of nonentity, what kind of idiot is that?
Why? What's the why, Bessie?
I said, either you like it or not, you wash this clothes.
Me?
Yes!
Me?
Yes!
What am I? Two of them. When you are their fan and I'm their purpose, maybe sing a mama. I don't think any pay you on blow. Share. Nipa ya dia ko se won se nipa na oble.
What do you mean na what if you how ye?
Me nye biane. Ah, me nye biane. Nye me ye ofia wo timi ye bi. Wo timi ye biana. De na wo ye. De na wo ye ofia. De bia me se ma ne me se. I don't wo se nipa na oble na. Wo wale me se. Be fa me betena fia. Na tete ye se ana se den.
But that is your responsibility as a woman.
It is there because ye bia ye wo se nipa no so oble na mo ja na e fa me. The way I moja from Sana moja so for me.
The same applies to me. Me should send you moja from me. Sign before me because every day I give money. I know they give money. I know they give chop money.
It's chop money.
I have complained about the chop money or what they give you.
I said I was saying yes, I will fear. I said we need chop money. But then be any promising your money for umbrella. Who promised that day? They over 5 times dress a day.
And you must say yes. I say we need chop money.
Aye.
So I never said you say who see me because that's your responsibility.
Then you messing your mama. Me what we say messing your mama of fiance.
Me then be need chop money.
Ah, they say we need chop money.
Then be need chop money. Say then be need chop money. Then be need chop money. There we should then be messing your mama.
Sir, sir.
Who see your man week a week?
Why see your man?
Who see your man week a week? A week then we see your man.
See your man no one come.
Mother, you can never tell me to buy you washing machine before you go wash my clothes.
Who better? Say what I never see one. You know what tell me about see one. Share.
Mother, let me tell you, Mother. I said I will never, I will never try to buy any washing machine for you.
Oh.
Either you like it or not, Mother, you go wash them.
Me I go wash them.
You go wash them.
Show me.
Okay. Oh, no wahala. Oh, no wahala.
You think you wash them? I will not wash them. I will not wash them. No wash. Go take it and wash it for yourself. You will not wash them unless you buy me the washing machine.
I clap for you. Congratulations. Shake me.
I will shake you too.
Yes. Always at the set for women where you dey like.
Yeah, I don't fear you.
Yes.
Don't do me what?
No, I'm not gonna beat you.
If you beat me, I will beat you, sir.
If I beat you, man, Chris. If we go say go beat you, man, Chris. If I beat you, I'm idiot. I don't get sense. I don't go try am. But what you go make you wash am? If they can. What you go make you wash the clothes? If they can. Yeah, I didn't say you be woman, Abi.
Yes.
You didn't touch you be woman, Abi.
Yes, I'm a woman.
Yeah, you can't
do anything.
You get two go fruits.
Yes, I get them.
You get them.
Yes, I get them.
No wahala. There's something go make you wash am if they can.
I don't go wash am.
No yawa.
Peter, you think somebody you ti fear so who you say ni nipa bread. Asiase wa kwakwa. Esi won ko na baba besi. is this?
Who you are talking about?
I'm talking about this girl.
Oh, sorry. She's my washing machine.
Akose, washing machine says.
She's my washing machine. What did you told me yesterday?
Man kase for babla abesi wo mama wo. Me say the washing machine mama. Tana me kind.
Exactly what I'm talking about. Exactly what I'm talking about. This girl is my washing machine. Yesterday you told me that before you can wash my clothes, unless I buy you washing machine or I dey lie. So now I have bought a washing machine. So this lady is here to wash my clothes. And you are here to cook for me. That's all.
But the mama you serious wo. Me ka washing machine man kase fani babla abesi wo mama. Bibi chichi wo.
Martha, let me tell you. You don't have right to complain about it. Have you understand? I can never marry a woman and at the same time before the woman wash my clothes, unless I give the woman washing machine before you go wash my clothes. Are you normal?
Kose na who be that?
What's it there?
Who be that na? Share mama ka be pincho kose esikafu akuku dam. O ma to washing machine dia mama yire. Chema link bisano. What to washing machine man you because one person na yire sabetete.
Martha!
Who kose jama you serious wo?
Martha, let me tell you, don't you ever compare my neck to me. Don't you ever compare a richest man in Ghana to me. I'm not a chairman.
Chairman ko ni asa chin ko se utia bonwa ama. Ese we dey hu se oba bla, hu se oba bla.
Martha, let me tell you, I always cut my coat according to my size. Always I cut my coat according to my size. Yeah, that is it exactly. So you can never tell me you can never show me what you do in this house. Yes, you can never show me what I for do in this house. I'm the man in the house. I control the walls. I control the home. It's not you to control. Your decision is I for provide washing machine.
Me can't washing machine. I didn't tell you to go and bring this thing.
Baby,
this house.
Do you know something? By the way, this is Martha, my wife. I marry my wife because of always I want her to cook for me. Okay. And now you are my washing machine. Have you understand?
Yes.
After you wash finish, you will bring the clothes inside my room, iron it, and lay the bed for me because you are my washing machine. When you take your clothes into washing places, they wash it and at the same time they iron it. Are they like?
No.
So that is your duty for this house. You will never do anything in this house. Your duty, your responsibility as a woman is to wash clothes. Have you understand?
Yes.
So go.
Cause I'm going.
Martha, don't you ever dare.
I should don't do what?
Martha, don't you ever dare.
Cause
Martha,
if
Martha.
Poor when you so left and right.
Okay. Martha, if you dare. Martha, if you dare.
I go do am. Cause try and see.
And Martha, if you try.
Try and see. Also be fa na hwe. Obeti wasum.
Obey.
Me obeti na sum say ta. Mani be fa na hwe.
Martha.
Me po when you so be akose. Me point to say. Me so. What say we Jimmy wa. Ya me de be ya onu wa be ya wo time. De ma be chichi won. Ai na hu value of asa. Ai na hu value of asa ko say. We nipa boni nipa. For one be say wa na me hwa de. Wo de me de be ya. Me bo ko fie ko wo bia.
Martha, let me tell you. Either you like it or not, this washing machine will stay in this house.
Cause you dey lie. Market and see. Market and see. You see my bad side. You think somebody is crazy. You think somebody is mad in this house. It will never happen. Now as I maybe to so on someone to soup them. Me to so soup them. Funny person here. ye bet na ofia ma ya hwe kose ye bet na wa ha ma ya hwe won for na fia ankwa won ubehu
Matter, I then repeat them again, either you like it or not. This washing machine will stay in this house.
kose why fane besin ya hwe fane bra
Okay.
fane besin
Listen.
kose Jamabi ma kose Jamabi
Matter! Yeah. I go hammer your something. You go see something. You go see something. Idiot. Idiot.
Bombolastic.
Yeah, they call me bombolastic.
Yes.
This washing machine will never call me bombolastic.
I saw the
This washing machine will never call me bombolastic. And this is quality washing machine.
Why?
This one is not made in China. Oh, I dey lie.
No.
Made in what? Vietnam.
Cause matter these two married people them go kill you die.
Yakubu, kasa chire kose papa because you need the pants na mbu ni kwasiasa. Kasa chire no.
Mata inti ade pa na kosa ya o kasa won po chichichichisa. Ya ade pa na kosa ya.
Yakubu, Andrew kosa sanya ma be pire dia be ku fia se. Miss man. Na me ka chire ne se, Missy, ali se wato washing machine dia de. E dia mama se na mesi nyama na ma no. Ewia ni mo ha ko for second wife bi dia ba sa an. Me mesi nyama nti. Ono ni washing machine ye. Ono na betina fie si nyama ma no. Na me ma ye ewia na me ka se wa bodam. Oboda papa. So no no de get you refia adwuma me de be tunu no. And dem ni ko se wa anya ntokwa. Me bu ko sankasa. Na me se ai. Na ga fi se bitime bu no.
Inti wa asama o kan ya o de mata.
Na kan nya me de.
Asama o gina ai ka che me ko wonum. Ade nti oba ya tisika wale o. Ukun sisi ni yuma ma na wo se gi soto washing machine ma wansa. Na sa washing machine wa to akofo oba ba so nsi a. O ha won den. Mata o ha wo sa asam no ene se.
Na sa ne ni partner yes sa ne ni nti ono de ohun se nipa bre ofia obre won ohun ade se mi mo na ma ka chen se this year she the way o man na this o man na change so me so change me
O man na change.
Ai
Nti so change o change o.
And then ku for the ba na ma ha ma basa e so on change o ma me washing machine na system le munya kama
Inti mata o kan se wa bre o tifi o wa ya djuma bre djuma ben pa na djuma di ben pa na o tifi o ye mata.
musu se wo de usu wo esu de mi hu bi da
Hu bi da.
wo be fia na wo hu se mi ti wo kwa mi nya hwe wo ba ho kwa na ma mi ti wo na wo hu se mi nya hwe ana
Fi o de bia me na ye tinti a wo de bia me ba bia na o si aduane ho de bia mata metu me na si bu fi obi aduane ho na o si
enti mama mi didi mi ti fie mama mi didi ma se de se on fe sika nto na mi didi
sanso ya wa side se oyi ni yuma gu wa we se wusi wuti fie bra be na obo onye hwe djuma we se odia ne se wusi ni yuma
ada mi ya machine na de bia ma kwa ya ma de tro mi ya machine
ah
mi ya machine na mi ya goje
na unim se obara side ofie ni so be ye efie adwuma unim se wa sense so be house choices na ade
na de bia na oba si ya ma ofie ada ma wo fufu na de bia mi si ya ma oba te wo fufu na de bia o si ya ma wa koma so me wo ye etu anu so o make sure say on fa nyansa ntu ntare na o hye no say na ire bre ofie nti enye de bia na obehya tare bebre
nti ono we na se de bia we so gba ko mama ta
like I want you any responsibility in this house there is on yes sir
sanso ya won so responsibility say de bia we so wusi ni yuma ma no
Yakubu jama asem na meka no nti mase ye won akwasi se nya wudi
mati wase atra
na date na wudi kosechi
de o kan anyansa sem bia na jimisa na obegina wo ka kire mi nkwase asem na obegina wo ka kire mi ya no ne se na ben se we wa no te se de yetena so gya wo se ukunu fa ojimi ekwana kwesi yuma no ma no
me ma no se
na wodi wa no se yetena so gya wo fa ojimi ekwana kwesi yuma no ma
me ba se bedi matama na se me ba se me de asema brof ko ka kire kose na wutwa madapa won
mindi watem
nyansa
mata mintwa wadapa nyansa se na meka to utrim
ma wo no won na ni nyansa
na me ni nyansa ka oba me nchen
usu chimi fo no kasa finfin na wote a wo kekasa kose kuraye utufu papa Yakubu jama won ye serious won
mamu wen odi ujimi kwa kwesi nyoma na fa ojimi ekosi nyoma no fa ojimi ekosi nyoma no
wutwa madapa sa
chede wa chire
What's the matter? These two married people,